My first fish of the season. Slam that shit he did. Throwing a minnow.
Very southern.
Oh yeah, I figured.
Talk that shit on a minnow, boy.
All right. Cool. I didn't really expect. No, he's not bad. And I just kicked my Zippo in the lake, which Beck is just thrilled about because that was one of my presents.
I want it.
What do you want me to do, babe?
You want to take him and try to get it out?
Yeah, I'll get it. Here.
Your minnow's still alive. I know. I'm trying to get the shit off my hands, dude. Ow.
Oh yeah, you sucked that in good.
Don't rip it out of him. Damn, dude. I got needle nose.
Check it out. First fish of the year.
She's like, I don't want fish, I want cookie.
I want cookie. I'm really bummed out that I just kicked my Zippo in the lake.
We're gonna get it back. You have to.
Honey, I'd have to go in there and swim to get it. It's freezing out.
Well, start swimming, dude.
Get it done.
You better go grab me a couple more beers if I'm gonna hop in this pond.
No, we need a net.
A net? It's underneath a rock, babe.
No, it's not. It's underneath some dirt.
Oh my god, she's gonna tell me it's fucking wall. It's my Zippo. Don't you think I wanted to?
We were able to get your bucket back when you tossed it.
It was floating, retard.
Get it.
This is submerged.
Well, think creatively.
I'm gonna throw you in the lake and it'll shut up. I don't want this fish to die either. Come on.
Scalpel.
Dr. Eckert, you need that Walden Pond, please?
Did you just swallow the damn thing?
Practically, because he hit it and then I didn't set it, so he just kept on taking it.